Welcome back to TechMirror, the channel where we explore the latest in technology, home, and lifestyle products to help you make informed purchasing decisions. If you enjoy detailed, unbiased reviews, make sure to click the subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Today we are taking a closer and more detailed look at the Corrigan Studio Landing 4-piece sofa seating group with cushions. This is an elegant outdoor conversation set designed to combine modern aesthetics, lasting durability, and exceptional comfort. Whether you want a stylish spot for your morning coffee, a comfortable area for reading in the afternoon sun, or a place to gather with friends and family in the evening, this set promises to enhance your outdoor living space with both practicality and beauty. The design of this set immediately catches the eye. It has a refined modern contemporary style that is both minimal and inviting. The slate black finished aluminum frame not only provides strength and stability, but also adds a sleek and sophisticated touch to your patio or deck. The armrests and tabletop are crafted from polyplastic resin in a rich brown faux wood finish, giving the appearance of natural timber while offering the resilience of synthetic materials. This combination of metal and faux wood creates a balanced look that works in a variety of outdoor decor themes, from minimalist to rustic. The build quality is equally impressive. The aluminum frame is naturally resistant to rust, which means it will maintain its appearance and structural integrity even after seasons of use. The faux wood elements are designed to withstand sunlight and rain without fading or warping, making this set a long-term investment for your home. Comfort is a key factor for any seating arrangement, and this set delivers beautifully in that area. The deep angled seats encourage a more relaxed posture, allowing you to lean back and enjoy extended periods of sitting without discomfort. The plush, dark gray, and charcoal cushions offer excellent support, feeling soft to the touch yet firm enough to maintain their shape over time. The cushions are upholstered in a water-resistant fabric, so light rain or morning dew will not be a problem. This makes it easy to leave the set outdoors without constant worry, although storing the cushions during extreme weather will always help extend their lifespan. Imagine settling into one of the armchairs with a cup of tea on a cool evening, or gathering on the love seat with family for weekend conversations. The depth of the seating and the angled backrests make these moments more enjoyable, turning your patio into an extension of your living room. Durability is one of the main selling points of this set. The all-weather design means it is ready to handle a variety of climates and conditions. The aluminum frame ensures rust resistance, the faux wood keeps its color and texture, and the cushions are built to resist moisture. This is particularly important for those who live in areas with unpredictable weather patterns, as you will not have to constantly move or cover the furniture. The set includes one love seat, 2 armchairs, and 1 coffee table, which together create a versatile seating arrangement. You can use it for casual chats, outdoor dining, or simply relaxing with a book. The coffee table's surface is spacious enough to hold drinks, snacks, or decorative items, making it functional as well as stylish. Before purchasing any outdoor furniture, it is essential to consider the available space. The Corrigan Studio Landing set is sized to provide comfort without overwhelming your patio. The armchairs measure 29.85 inches in length, 28.55 inches in width, and 36.22 inches in height. The love seat measures 55.43 inches in length, 28.55 inches in width, and 36.22 inches in height. The coffee table comes in at 43.31 inches in length, 23.62 inches in width, and 16.93 inches in height. These proportions strike a nice balance between providing ample seating and maintaining an open, airy feel in your outdoor space. When investing in outdoor furniture, there are several factors to keep in mind. Consider your climate and how much exposure the set will have to sunlight, wind, and rain. Think about the number of guests you typically host and whether the included seating arrangement meets your needs. Also, pay attention to how the design and color scheme of this set will fit with your existing outdoor decor. The modern style and neutral colors of the Corrigan Studio Landing set make it versatile enough to blend with a wide range of surroundings. If you are in the market for a high-quality, stylish, and comfortable outdoor sofa seating group, the Corrigan Studio Landing 4-piece set is a strong choice. It offers a perfect balance of modern design, durable materials, and inviting comfort. The all-weather construction makes it a practical investment, while its visual appeal ensures that it will elevate the look of your patio or backyard. For those who value both form and function, this set is certainly worth considering. Thank you for watching this review here on TechMirror. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who is looking for quality outdoor furniture. Do not forget to subscribe and tap the bell icon so you stay updated with our latest reviews. Until next time, this is TechMirror helping you see the bigger picture in every product.